Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken and rice in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This is going to be real simple. I have a tray of boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. This is 2.79 pounds, so just a little under 3 pounds. These were $1.99 per pound, so these cost $5.55. So I'm just going to rinse these off and trim off the excess fat. Then I'm going to put them in there, and I'm going to use brown rice and then just a can of cream of mushroom soup. That's it. My chicken is all cleaned up there. Now let's get everything into the pot. All right, I put 2 cups of water in there, and this will be 2 cups of brown rice. I guess you could use any kind of rice you wanted to, but brown rice is what I have. So I rinsed the chicken, I cut the pieces in half, trimmed off the excess fat, and season it with just some salt and pepper. Now I'll get that into the pot and kind of get it mixed up a little bit here. And we'll get the lid on there. The mushroom soup is not going in until the end, so now I'm going to cook this on low, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been 5.5 hours, so let's take a look at this. That looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and add the can of mushroom soup now. This is a 22.6 ounce can. So I'm just going to mix that all together, and then we will give it a try. All right, let's see how this turned out. I steamed some broccoli and carrots to go with it. Put a little green onion on top there just for a little color. You can see this is nice and creamy. The chicken just breaks up with a fork. So let's try a bite here. That turned out really good. And that's only 3 ingredients if you don't count the salt and pepper. Andy, the taste test dog showed up. You want some cream of mushroom chicken, Andy? Want to try a bite of that? She's licking up every last drop. I guess that's Annie approved. So that cooked for 5.5 hours on low. So if you do it on high, it'd probably be about 3 hours. And everything turned out good. The texture of the rice was good. The chicken was nice and tender. It was moist, had good flavor. So I'll write everything in the description like usual. And I'll see you guys on the next one.